guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mareva. In this video I'm going to do a crochet braid tutorial, a very simple one for that matter, and I'm going to use Havana Curl by Angels. It looks like this. I'm only using one packet for this tutorial, and a packet goes for maybe 400 and something shillings. I can't remember the exact price, but 400 and something shillings at all the, you know, every beauty store in Nairobi I'm sure has this, but I bought this at Best Lady. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned and watch this video all the way till the end. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do, okay, the braid in one packet, the braid, this is all there is in one packet, so it's like 2 bundles of crochet hair. So I'm gonna take one strand like this, and I'm just going to unravel it like so, and then I'll come here at the tip. Okay, I think this braid is meant to be crocheted like this, but I don't like how thick it looks, so I'm just going to try and detangle the hair so that it gives me more natural looking curls, because that's the look I am going for. So it's very easy. I just detangled from the center. I detangled the braid. You have to do this really slowly so that you maintain the curl pattern. Yes, I'm going for something like this, and because I want a natural looking afro, or yeah, something that has volume, I'm going to do them in different sizes. So I'll have some of them looking like this, and some of them looking like this, and some of them looking like this. So it's gonna be something like this. From here onwards, everything is pretty much repetitive, so I'm just going to, you know, forward the whole thing. And before I start, I have to mention that I got my cornrows or lines. I got my cornrows done. I could do the cornrows myself, but I just wanted neat, really neat work. So I went to a salon. I got these cornrows done. And yeah, I'm just going to, it's really simple. Wash your hair, get some cornrows, moisturize your scalp, and get started. So I'm just going to untangle all this off camera, and then I'll come back when I'm done. I'm done unraveling the twists. They're all over the place. So I'm going to start with this, the small ones. I'm going to start with them, and I'm going to use them at the very front of my head because I want them to look more natural. If you want your braids to look better, you have to put the small ones at the front first, and then mix with the thicker curls. So I'm just going to do this at the front, and then I will repeat the same process on the rest of my hair. So it's really simple. Take a so I'm taking one piece using a crochet pin and just fixing it. It's really simple. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.